Sunod tayo, representing the dynamic and strong offices of engineering, assessor, tourism.
Phoenix 2026. Please welcome the candidates in their
and a louder voice to promote our local tourism. Tonight, I stand before you to speak about the powerful force that connects cultures, strengthens economies, and builds understanding across borders.
Dahil nagarepresentar kang legislatura kang Banwa kang Lawaan, Kruhay!
Sir, Lawaan have so much to offer. Our beach reflects our natural wealth and our mountain echoes our resilience. And Hara Lawaan 2026, carrying an advocacy to promote and protect the natural beauty and tourism of Lawaan, the sweetest municipality in Antique. Lawaan is sweet, not only by name, but because of the natural treasures and its people. From the peaceful Canamag River City of Sansadan, Barangay Maybuna, to sustainable Bigaan River sa Darmon.
And community comes alive. Having grown up here, walking our cobblestone streets and learning from our elders, I come to realize that tourism is the key to our community's future.
A town where culture is not only remembered, but live, honored, and passed on from one generation to the next. Our story of abundance begins with the Pahiges Di Lawaan Festival, a heartfelt thanksgiving for the blessings of the land. Pahiges is more than a celebration. It is a
But this sweetness is a chest and with words. It lives in our mountains, echoes in our rivers, and breathes through the stardust of our people. In Lawaan, culture is just something we simply remember. It is something we live. At the heart of this living heritage is the Raynon Kinon, one of the 14 indigenous peoples communities of Antique and the faithful stewards of our land. Every river that flows, every waterfall that inspires awe, and every mountain that stands tall in Lawaan